And search here. Search here.
Here.
Yes. MLM marketer group. MLM marketer group. Okay, just wait. Go back.
Okay.
Go back again. Yes. And see all. Click on see all.
See all.
Yes. And scroll down. You see many groups. Yes. So scroll up again. Scroll up. And just click on MLM World. Open it
This
in a
one,
new
yes.
tab. Yes. Open a new tab.
On a new tab. Okay.
Yes. Stay here and go back to the group again. All the groups again.
Okay. 1 second.
And internet marketing. Click on it and open new tab. Just yes. Right click on the mouse. Right side. Right click. A new tab. Yes. Open a new tab. Is it private? Okay. And
Yeah.
open all other groups.
1 second, please.
Okay. And you see all other group here? And
yes.
Open all this group. One by one.
All of the groups.
Yes.
Okay.
Open in a new tab.
Yes.
Yes. And yes. 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 You are living US or UK?
UK.
How long?
For 9 years.
9 years. You
Yes.
born there or in Bangladesh?
I was born here. Yes.
You are Siletian?
Excuse me?
You are Sileti? That
No,
means
Dhaka.
Dhaka. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, just stay and go to this group. Yes, first
Which one?
group. First one. Oh, not this one. Okay, second.
And yes.
Okay, yes.
Second.
Okay, just click on the URL on top. You see facebook.com groups marketer. Yes, click on it.
Yeah.
Click, just one click.
Yeah, one click. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Now you see HTTPS. Yes, and just copy it. Copy it.
Yes.
And go to your page or personal ID, Facebook ID.
My what?
Your Facebook ID.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, and paste it here. Paste it here.
Yes. I can't hear you very good.
What's on your mind? Paste here.
Paste here. Yes.
Yes. Okay, yes. And then write down 2, make number 2. Yes. And copy another link, another group link.
Any group link. Okay.
Yes. And do same for all other group.
Okay.
মিউট করেন নুরুল করিম ভাই। আচ্ছা আমি মিউট করে দিচ্ছি। Okay, and make it just save it. Your post only me, not public. Only me,
Okay.
only me. On top. You see on top.
Yeah.
Yes, here. Yes,
Only me.
yes, and post it. Post it. Make a post.
Okay.
Okay. Scroll up and just click number 1 group. Just click.
Number 1. MLM.
No, from your post. And
From
remove.
my post.
Yes.
This one.
Yes. Number 1. Yes. Click on it. Yes. And join group. Click on join group. They asking any question? Why do you want to join this group? Okay, write down I want to do marketing, or you wish, what you wish. Okay, and next question. What's your
Will
email?
you do spamming after this? After joining this group?
No, I want spamming. No. Okay. No. Spamming.
What is your email address? Okay.
You don't need to put it. You just write down a fake or anything else. Just write down
Okay.
something, not your real email. It's not real, yes?
Yeah.
Oh, you are smart. Okay, now submit. Okay. Admin received your answer, and okay, and maybe they will check your answer and then they will give you permission. And when they will give you permission, that time you can make post. Yes.
Yes.
So I will just show you one post how to do. Yes. And just
Yeah.
You joined previous time I shared the group. Okay, remove all the tab. Okay, remove all the tab.
So this one?
Yes, remove all tab. Okay.
And this one?
Okay, and join here. You just no. Okay, just go to your post again. Your save post.
My post?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
And maybe I shared you previous time 54. You joined in this group 54.
Yes.
Okay, so click on 54 this group. Yes. No, you don't join. Okay, now join.
Oh.
Now join here. Join here now.
Yes. Okay. What are you struggling in life? It says.
Say something. Just struggling for be independent by myself.
What is dream? Do you have one?
Do you want to learn the oh, okay, write down, no problem. I don't have a dream yet. Okay, submit. Okay, just copy this message I sent you now.
And should I post it?
Okay, you just copy it and you will make a post. and just change this link. No. Okay.
One second, I will fix it.
Edit. And just put your link here. Yes. And how to put? And go to your WebTalk account. Go to WebTalk. Yes.
Yes, now what do I do?
You just click menu bar, rewards, then get profile link, rewards, and get referrals. Get referrals.
Get reference.
Yes.
Get referrals. Yeah. Get referrals.
Referrals. Scroll up.
Yeah.
Yes. Share profile link. Second one. Copy your link.
Second one.
Copy your link. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And then, okay. And paste it here. Okay. And now is your link. Yes. And you can make post. So every day, if you do like this way, and you can change your picture. Yes. And it's a real picture.
Yeah.
It's a real picture.
Should I put a fake picture?
I can't understand. It's a real
Should
picture.
I put? Yeah.
Oh, so you can change to another one, so that
Okay.
people think you are professional.
Okay.
Okay, so every day if you make 20 or 30 groups like this way, every day make post, or 1 days after, 2 days after, I hope you will get some reference. And if you can make at least 1 or 200 referrals, that time you can earn also. And you know, right now WebTalk is growing up so faster, and this world rank is
Yes.
6,000. You know it.
That's good.
So you in future you can use it for like Facebook, like YouTube, like LinkedIn. So it's not only for money. You can do everything here. So just invite other people, your colleague, your friend circle, or your relatives, everyone you can, and you just join them by your link. Yes, by your link.
Yeah.
So you will get point every day. Got it?
Yeah.
And you have YouTube channel?
I didn't make any videos though. I don't have a YouTube channel either.
But you can make some video like Fatiha. You know Fatiha from US? She is so famous right now. You know her?
Yeah, I know her.
So
Yeah.
you can make some video like her. You can be famous as you are living in UK. People will watch you, follow you.
Yeah. So my mom says when I'm 10, I can make videos. I'm 9 so far.
Oh, you need 1 year more, yes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay, no problem. So just I hope you got understand. And any question you have right now?
Yes. I have one question. Where do you live right now?